What's up, guys? I'm holding my phone sideways like Gary said. If there's bars on the side, then I am sorry. We have arrived at our job site. Boomer, North Carolina is the name of the area we're in. It's 3:33 on Friday. On the way up here, because it was late, I was like, man, I hope the cabinets are good. I hope we got an easy entrance and all that. And we got lucky. It is. The cabinets, they look great. I'm going to pull the laser in here and check them out, but they look great. Really couldn't ask for a better open area to work in.
No dishwasher brushes.
The customer met us here. She was very nice. We was able to pull right up to the concrete here, and she was moving stuff out of our way. Truck's right there. Really couldn't ask for a better setup on this job. So I'm pretty happy about that. Average install is about 4.5 hours. We may be able to do this one a little quicker just because of how everything is. We're to ourselves in here, that's always a plus. All in all, everything's looking great. So just like any job, I will let you know if we run into any issues and what they are and how we work through them. We're going to go ahead and move this stove out of the way. We do got a couple big pieces on this job, and the material is, the nicer material like this, it's more fragile. You got to be more careful when you're moving it and laying it and all that. So, of course, we'll be putting bars on it, suction cups and all that, and be taking our time. But Lord willing, everything will go in nice and smooth, and it'll turn out to be a beautiful job. They've got a really, really nice home here. The setup is just awesome. I'll show you video of it outside. They're kind of back here out of the way. It's freaking nice. But Lord willing, everything goes good. The job looks beautiful. When you have a nice home like this, you really want your jobs to look good. Which I want all my jobs to look good, but it's especially important when you have a home like this. But anyway, I'm going to get off here and start working. So I will show you as we go. Alrighty, guys, putting a level on here. We do have an issue. I just spoke with the homeowner about it. I'm always trying to find the middle ground between stability and visual. You don't want to jack it up 4 shims high here, and when you're walking across here, you can see all the way through underneath your countertops. This, I don't have my tape on me, but as you can see, it's a bit, probably an inch or so. And I'm guessing, we're on kind of the side of a mountain here, so I'm guessing the floor dropping down this way. It does the same thing on this side. End up being even. It does the exact same thing on both sides. Like I told her, that's a plus. We're not like off one side to the other where I've got to shim it up to seam it, make it work. It does make it more difficult when the cabinets are off like that. But, we'll do what we got to do to make it work. You guys know I said it plenty of times. I treat people how they treat me. And like I said, she's been really nice. So, when people treat you well, you come in and you do what you can to get their job done properly, even if there's some issues, and you don't make a big deal about it. That's just what you do. So we're going to rock and roll and see what we can do. You can also see it right here in the level. I got him going out to get me some shim so I can kind of show you. I'll shim it up and kind of show you what we're working with. Alright, so you can see it's about a 5 shimmer I got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we go here. Now we're good. But you know, you don't want to do that. It's not what you want. Alright, so we got all the tops in, guys. David started talking about jive turkey, so we got jive turkeys on the mind. Got the seam right here, and then the other seam right here. But all in all, everything's looking good. Just gotta seaming it together, and we're rocking and rolling. What color y'all think for the epoxy on this? Like always, we're gonna go with the lightest base color. So I'm gonna go with this kind of whitish, grayish here. And then we'll add secondaries after the fact. Over here, I've kind of got more of this mauve color. So I think I'm gonna go with that on that one. How do I feel about that color there for that? I like it pretty good. Alright guys, we finished up. As always, I forgot to finish my video and I talked to the customer, so I had to come back in the house. But everything turned out well. Like I told you at the beginning of the video, very, very nice customers. I met the husband just now. They got an awesome place out here. They got horses and dogs and all kinds of stuff, man. It's like my dream place. But anyway, job turned out well. Used transparent beige silicone. Painter's caulk just along the windowsill where it's white there. They had this green brick, and I didn't want to put like a white painter's caulk along there. I thought the trans beige looked better. All in all, everything turned out great. I'm a little tired, guys. It's going on 9 o'clock, but turned out great. So I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all have any questions, leave it in the comments. I made a couple shorts on this, on that seam behind the sink, and using the no lift over there. So if you have any questions on that, I'll be glad to answer them. But otherwise, I'm gonna get some pictures and get home, guys. Thank you very much.